BCA Pre-Primary is special. First and foremost, our academic expectation and the excellence that we take great pride in producing and providing. That cannot be accomplished without inquiry-based learning.
Students learn in a more traditional fashion, along with a lot of hands-on learning experiences. It allows the students to have a little bit more say in the direction they want to go in their interests. And so as teachers, we have the flexibility of listening to them, as well as helping them guide in their own education and taking ownership of it.
The population at pre-primary is a very international community, very globally minded, and these students truly will be the leaders of the world. It's amazing to see our students and our families share their culture through music, through language, through food, through celebration, and it really brings a global connection to the community.